Learn English daily.
Hello, Ben. How are you?
Hi, Anna. I am good. How about you?
I am fine, thank you. Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I did. I ate toast and eggs. And you?
I had a bowl of cereal and milk. It was tasty.
That sounds nice. What are you doing today?
I am going to the park. I want to read my book. What about you?
I am going to the library. I need to return some books.
That's good. I like the library. There are many books.
Yes, there are. I like reading a lot. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I read every day. It's fun and relaxing.
I agree. Reading is a good hobby. What book are you reading now?
I am reading The Big Tree. It's a story about a tree and animals.
That sounds interesting. I might read it too.
You should. It's a nice story. Anyway, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not much. I might watch a movie. How about you?
I will visit my grandma. She lives in the next town.
That's lovely. I hope you'd have a good time.
Thank you, Ben. I hope you enjoy your movie too.
Thanks, Anna. It was nice talking to you.
Same here. Have a great day, Ben.
You too, Anna. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ben.
Hey, Jack, did I tell you about my trip to the mountains last week?
No, Mia. I'd love to hear about it. How was it?
It was amazing. The view from the top was breathtaking. The air was so fresh.
Sounds wonderful. How long did it take you to climb?
About 4 hours. We started early in the morning to avoid the afternoon sun.
That's smart. Did you see any interesting animals?
Yes, we spotted some deer and even a few eagles flying above. It was so serene.
I've always wanted to see an eagle in the wild. They are majestic birds.
They truly are. The way they soared through the sky was mesmerizing.
Did you camp there or did you come back the same day?
We camped overnight. Sitting around a campfire under the stars was a highlight.
I can only imagine. I've never been camping. Was it cold?
It was a bit chilly at night, but we had warm sleeping bags, so we were comfortable.
That sounds like a perfect getaway. I should plan a trip soon.
You definitely should. And if you need company, let me know. I'd love to go again.
Thanks, Mia. I'll keep that in mind. It's always better to travel with friends.
Absolutely. Share the memories and the adventure. I'm already excited for our next trip.
Me too, Mia. Let's start planning soon.
Definitely. Let's make it happen.
Hey, Sam, have you heard about the new project we're taking on next month?
Yes, I did. I heard it's a big client from Europe. Do you have any details?
Right. It's a tech company from Germany. They want us to design a new website and manage their social media.
That sounds challenging. Have they provided any specifics about what they want?
They've given us a brief. They want a clean, modern design and are very keen on making it user-friendly.
That's good. We should start with some market research. Understand their target audience better.
I agree. Also, they emphasize the importance of integrating their website with an e-commerce platform.
Oh, are they planning to sell products online?
Yes, they have a range of tech gadgets they want to showcase and sell directly from their website.
That adds another layer of complexity. We'll need to ensure the payment gateway is secure.
Absolutely. And they also want to incorporate a chatbot for customer support.
Chatbots are becoming quite essential these days. Good call on their part.
I think so too. We'll need to coordinate with the development team closely for this project.
Definitely. And we should schedule regular check-ins with the client to ensure we're on the right track.
Agreed. Let's set up a kickoff meeting for next week and get everyone on board.
Sounds like a plan. I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be an exciting project.
Me too, Sam. With our team's expertise, I'm confident we'll deliver outstanding results.
Hey Tom, have you seen the flyer about the community barbecue next Saturday?
Oh, yes, Ava. I spotted it on the notice board this morning. Are you going?
Definitely. It's a great way to meet new neighbors and catch up with everyone. How about you?
I'm planning to. I've heard they need volunteers to help set up. I'm thinking of offering a hand.
That's a great idea. I volunteered last year, and it was fun. Plus, you get to know the organizers and be a part of the event's success.
I bet. I'm new around here, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to get involved.
Absolutely. And if you're good at grilling, they always appreciate extra chefs.
I do have some skills on the grill. Maybe I'll give it a shot. Do you know who's coordinating the event?
It's Mrs. Clark from house number 12. She's been organizing this for the past 5 years. Just give her a call, and she'll guide you.
I will. Thanks for the tip. Are you bringing anything?
I'm thinking of making a big fruit salad. Everyone brings meat and buns, but I feel fresh fruits are a great addition to a barbecue.
Sounds delicious. And it's true, fruits are refreshing on a hot day.
Yes. By the way, if you need any help or have questions about the community, just let me know. We're all here to help each other.
Thanks, Ava. I appreciate that. Looking forward to seeing you at the barbecue.
Likewise, Tom, it's going to be a fun day.